Happy New Year! It's a relaxed flow, especially created for days like that to start a new beginning, the new year. I hope you set up your goals, or you may just be in the mood to start the year very nice as your body together. Yeah, I'm Lana, and it's a place where I became flexible, strong, and healthier. Club 645. And that's a little surprise to celebrate New Year together and start it like on the right note. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. And we start sitting, legs crossed in front of you. Close your eyes, take deep inhale through the nose. Exhale. One more inhale, reach both hands up, wrist lock. A little bit extra more inhale. I'm gonna duplicate something in Ukrainian, тому що також в мене є Club UA. І це також для вас така релаксійна версія. І також сюрприз буде у групі. І до нас можна приєднатися до 10 січня або потім з 1 по 10 лютого. Але до 10 січня ще можна взяти класні абонементи на 3, 6, 12 місяців, особливо з подружкою. And we go to the center and to the side. З подружкою там така акція, я її трошки подовжила до 10 січня, тож це знак, можливо. Well done. And 2 more inhale all the way up. Exhale, side. Last but not least. Well done. And now we stay on one side and you're going to do like a bouncing movements. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And just stay and breathe. Exhale, open the arm. Let me know your favorite meal for New Year. Maybe now you actually don't want to talk about food, huh? I assume. Or maybe let me know your resolution. My resolution is I want to continue work on my hobby as a handstand. It's my biggest fear, but I'm getting stronger and working now. It will be 8 months daily. And now we do bouncing to the other side. And 5, 4. Why we do this one? Side stretch. Lateral stretch. That's because we're going to work also with the hip mobility. And to develop the better hip mobility, we need to engage the side stretches because body is a magic and everything is connected. And as well, I want to start, now we're going to open arms and stay here and breathe. I plan in maybe March as well do in English, 3 weeks challenge, flexible and strong body. The daily classes will be between 10 and 30 minutes every day. If you're interested in that program, let me know, because now I'm collecting the people who are interested to train with me in English. And you can leave me your mail and I will put you on a waiting list. Well done. Super. And now we go to the diagonal and you're gonna try to touch, if it's available for you, or just reach a little bit forward like this and the round back up and straight back down, round up. And 2 and 1. And we switch other side, straight and round up, straight and round up. And 3 and 2 and 1. Well done. Now we go in the first position and we're gonna warm up a little bit the wrist. So we're gonna bounce forward and come back, forward, come back, forward, come back, forward, come back. Then the wrist gonna like with the fingers you're gonna look to your knees and then front to the knees, front, knees, front to the knees direction, front, and now side and inner, side and inner, side. Easy, right? And now maybe like this, one by one, slowly. Maybe just hold like this a little bit, and another one. And 8 times we do like a press the button with the palm up and down. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And elevate on the fingertips. Tuck your tailbone in, round position, chin to the chest. Tuck your tailbone in a little bit more. Well done. Posterior tilt, hold forward. 3, 2, 1. And arch. Well done. Now you can bring your palms just flat. And now you're gonna activate the elbows. You're gonna turn them in and then bend. Turn them in and bend. In and bend. In and bend. And you're gonna turn them in. And now you're gonna elevate the knees. And we're gonna bounce. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Well done. 4, 3, 2. Inhale, sit on the heels. Exhale, shoot up to plank. Inhale, sit. Exhale, plank. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. For example, now my place is like -13. So, and sometimes we have a problem with the heating. So this exercise is the best if you're cold. We stay 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your knees down and then give me maybe 10 push-ups with the chest touching the floor. Well done. Super. And 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. Well done. Anahatasana. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Then we back to the center. Now you're gonna open one arm with a kick. 5, 4, 3, 2. Especially very good after sitting. Hold. Inhale. Try to think about inner rib. This one we just go look down. And just maybe turn them with the hand a little bit more to the side. Exhale, dive. You can make a wrist lock. Here you can use this arm and look up. Well done. And we change the side. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. Super. And dive. 4, 3, 2, 1. Way back to the short plank. We're gonna elevate the knees and you're gonna do a kick with the legs, full extension, and with the flexed foot. And kind of the feeling gonna be maybe try to turn a little bit hip in. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, super. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog. Walk with feet. Every time try to step maybe on a new spot on your foot. Maybe draw like half circles. And little wave. Could be here. Or you can do it with a more bended knees. Or you can just breathe in a downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. With a new inhale, elevate your heels. Look forward. Bend your knees. And step, jump, float to your hands. Exhale, stay in fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, come back to the fold and step with the right foot back. You can lower the knee and stay in lunge. Inhale. Exhale, open to the cactus. Reach forward, open to the cactus. And 2. Little secret that I turn both legs in, so I stay on my legs. And then after my legs supporting me and build our construction, then I can add a little bit back. Maybe stay here, maybe activate the back knee and extend the arms, or maybe grab the wrist lock. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And we go a little bit for a little moment to half split. Maybe you're gonna turn the foot. Or maybe you can just stay in half split. 4, 3, 2. Well done. Point the toe. Super. Now you're gonna bring this foot all the way back and we're gonna draw the circles. 4. Maybe you can go down on one elbow. 3, 2, 1, and turn. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you don't want to have too much muscles here and you want to more here, we're gonna do for that these tiny kicks. My recommendation is stop the video and do as much these kicks as much you can feel your glute can handle. 4, 3, 2, 1, and maybe 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Stay on the top, flex point foot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on the top. Well done. And now one little thing. Or you can do 10 more kicks. Or from here, you're gonna just stand up all the way up and down. Up and down. Up and down. You can go as well to the warrior 3, 2, whoop. And maybe stay in warrior 3. Or elevate your hands down. Or you can do whatever position you want. Maybe some funky variation of the standing fold. Or you can just go to the child pose and have inhale, exhale. And we go to another side. Step with the left foot forward. Lounge. Inhale, go forward. Exhale, open to the cactus. And 3. Well done. And 2. Yes. And 1. Maybe extend the knee. Push like something away. Maybe grab the wrist lock. Turn both legs in to build the stability and maybe some open new skills in your body. You can join my longer programs, or as well I do online classes, 1-1, or as well in my clubs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And now we're gonna bring the leg and we're gonna do the circle. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, extension and the kicks. Whoop. Kicks up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Well done. Keep on the top, flex point, and turn it a little bit in. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You're almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Point, a little bit, elevate, elevate, elevate. Well done. On a knee. And standing, or repeat one more set. And 10, 9. I remember we did 5. But you can try to do 10 as well later, but it should be equal from both legs. Last but not least, and we stay 5, 4, 3, or here, or maybe here, or here. 2, 1. Well done. Now we lie down, and we're gonna elevate the hips up. You can grab your ankles. You can make a wrist lock. You can just keep your hands next to the body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the legs, hug both knees, Pujat massage, round. Well done for the first day of the year. I think we done a lot today. We work towards all body, all our important groups. Happy baby pose. This pose is very good for the health, for the mind as well. And I'm very proud of you. Let me know in the comments how this class was for you. And write down 1, the thin 365 done. And the year started very well. Well done. Maybe hold legs a little bit in diamond. Close your eyes. Take deep inhale. Push with your arms, your hips away. And feel the compression of your spine. One more inhale. And release everything. Extend your legs. Palms look into the ceiling. One more inhale. Thank yourself for this practice. I thank you for the practice. And have a lovely new year. See you another time. Bye.